I'ma head out then.
Demo? You demo on it? Okay. How's it going, man?
Hey, how you doing?
I didn't know if you were ready this morning already.
Give it all. This car is built for street battling.
Oh, that's what y'all do?
Yeah.
Oh, you parked down here?
Yeah, oh, yeah. Right there. Yeah, as far as I can get. What you running in here, man?
As far as subs,
Yeah, I know you got all kinds of speakers.
we got two Def Bounce 45 18Rs on two 8Ks, one each.
Thank you, man.
Right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.